Welcome to Tractor Ross. Got the body cam in full effect today for live footage. So I just got a job. Y'all know I like doing for the community. So let's get it cracking. I don't know what that was. Well, guys, I got the tractor back home. I let it sit, it cranked back up. Drove it on home, it was no problems. But I think that grass was just a little too high. So I'm gonna go ahead and just do some small things like change the air filter, stuff like that. Until next time, guys, Tractor Ross. So I just got a call for another job. So you know what it's time for. Tractor Ross. Hey, what's up, guys? Tractor Ross. Y'all see me about to do this yard, this field over here with the loose dog. Hopefully he won't get me. And I see the grass got a little pretty high. But we all good, we all good. We running strong. You know, last time I was here I had a little mishap. Let's see what we can get done. Tractor Ross. Well, guys, we got it cut down low. Got this lot over here done. This front part here done. I don't know. Like DT had to dig up something right here, so I couldn't really get all of that. Got this lot over here done. Tractor Ross. You guys know we always like to do for the community. And this right here is the foster home. Gotta get these, keep this grass looking nice. Y'all see it. Tractor Ross. Well, it's time to wrap it up and get on up out of here. Gotta head back. Tractor Ross. I better hurry up. It looks like it's about to rain. Good. I'm not too far. Hope you like this episode of Tractor Ross. You know, we always like to do for the community is represent Mansell TV. Boss Ross in the building. Make sure y'all like and subscribe to the video.